goodness. No, you didn't.
There, ISR, performance.
What is up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on the pilot episode of Bacwardz Garage. My name is Bailey. I want to introduce myself right away. My cousin Cameran, the co-founder of Bacwardz Garage and this YouTube channel, is not with me, but that is for a very specific reason. I just a couple days ago picked up a new car that he has no idea about, and we've been talking about getting me a project car, and this one is pretty nice, but there's still a few tweaks that we can do, personalize it, make it my own. So this whole first video is gonna be the reaction to him seeing my new car for the first time. I made up a lie about some other parts that I needed to pick up at the farm from for a few other projects that we have here. So he has absolutely no idea that this vehicle is sitting on a lift at the farm. So we're not gonna waste any time, guys. Let's go take a look at my new car.
Goodness. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
I did, dude.
Look at this unit.
Got it.
Look at the what? No way. No way.
I wouldn't bring you out here for golf cart wheels, dude.
Dude.
What do you think of it?
I love it. I love it.
It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. It's really solid.
It looks like it so far.
It's got Fortune 500 coilovers on it.
I'm waiting to know what's wrong with it.
129 on it.
Wow.
Really solid car. Few imperfections, but it's not bad at all. It's actually in really good shape. Wheels, these wheels could be better. We're probably gonna get some new wheels.
No way.
There's a small blemish right here.
Look.
This is gonna be fixable though.
That ain't
I already
no
got
issue.
a guy on that to look at that.
Oh, I love the custom back piece.
Yeah, the guy, yeah, Datsun.
Look at that.
It's dirty. Those are not my plates. That doesn't really matter.
I'm waiting to see how low she stands.
It's not too bad. It's really not. It's a nice car.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
Finally made the push.
Finally made the push.
Finally did it.
I told you that I would.
That you have not owned one of these yet.
Not one.
Fantastic.
Had S2000s, 240s.
You've had the whole realm.
Miatas, everything. Had it all.
Look at that. That is so cool. So cool.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Not bad at all.
How long have you hid this from me, huh?
2 days. 2 days. I picked it up on Monday.
2 days. Wow.
Picked it up on Monday.
It looks great though. Looks
yeah.
Great.
It's not.
Yeah,
there's a little.
Those rims could handle 40s on there.
Yeah.
I already have a wheel in mind for this. I'm gonna leave that though. I'm gonna leave that for another video.
That is awesome.
But it's got 17s on it right now.
Okay.
So
yep.
It should be 18s. I might keep 17s in the front, do 18s in the rear, but I might just do 18s all around too. But a lot of ideas with this car. Thinking paint job.
There's so much to come. This thing has such a variety of aftermarket that it's not even funny.
Oh yeah.
Oh, whale tail on
There's
the
so
back,
much.
huh?
Whale tail.
That's happening.
Yeah, I could do a whale tail, just have it all the way, just come out. You know what we could do? If we really want to get crazy with it, we could do a rear mount spoiler.
Dude, yes. No,
A bumper.
Well, it depends on where you want to go with it.
That's the thing. I don't know yet. I'm thinking potentially it could just be like a nice solid daily driver, but customized, looks nice.
I'm seeing one that
We don't
comes up
daily
out
drive
of the
now.
trunk.
Yeah, do one out of the
One
trunk.
that comes up out of the
Well,
trunk.
they make
when you
some-
push a button, it comes up.
Do an automatic one. They make them where you basically, there's 2 slits right in between those turn signals, and then it mounts to the car.
And you got the
And it comes all the way
on
up.
there already.
It's loud. I
I
know you would
don't
love
doubt
that.
it. I saw that and immediately, and
I know you thought it would.
I thought maybe you picked
like
up a
that.
toy, but this is not your realm. This is your realm.
Yeah, he's got the nice Ford Highboy.
That is awesome.
This
dude.
is really
That
nice.
is awesome.
You finished this what, Jim? In the fall?
Yep.
Yeah, this thing is sweet. Well, at first, I wasn't sure if it was stock exhaust or not, but they have, you know, NVIDIA. That's like the classic, whatever 350Z guy puts on. But this is an ISR performance muffler, and it works really good. It's just basically straight from right after the cat's back, that muffler, and then these blast pipes.
Awesome.
It's pretty sweet.
Yep, we'll get her washed up and
Yeah,
everything, put a
needs to
parts
get-
list together.
Yep, needs to really get washed up. I got a guy already. I need to take some pictures of that tonight, send it to him. He's
Yeah,
gonna
that
get me
doesn't
a-
look like it'd be.
There's just this little dent right here, but this you could do. He was saying some paintless correction, something like that. I'm not a body guy. I know engines, I know cars, and I do not know body. But he
It's all
said,
good
Look
there.
at
It's just right
this.
here. Just
Yeah.
a little bit of pull out here.
yep, just a little pull there. Little clean
Yeah,
up.
we'll have
But
to
if I
fit a
was
boost
paint
gauge
that,
up there somewhere by the other ones and or column. Gonna need it at some point.
Yeah,
I know we
there's
will.
There's some plastics pieces in there. It just kind of started peeling and whatnot. So that's gotta. I might end up getting some new plastics for it, which that's all cheap and easy. So not a big deal.
Gonna get a cold start here. I'll still say I hate the back end.
It ain't bad, dude.
Look at that smile. Can't beat it. Can't beat that smile.
It does not sound bad. And going down the road too at like, shoot, I was going like 80, 85 down the highway on the way back, and it actually has a really nice tone to it. Nothing too crazy. It's not like obnoxious, but that's because it still has cats on it. If you took the cats
Those
off,
will be gone.
different story.
Those will be leaving.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm excited.
Fantastic
I got an
purchase.
idea for paint, wheels. Like I got a whole color scheme laid out for me. Yeah, like I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it for another video. I'm not gonna say nothing now, but it's exciting. This is gonna be a blast.
Rat?
This is a push.
Potentially a wrap.
Question mark?
Potentially a wrap.
Bleep bloop it in the comments.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I got 2 options that I'm thinking of, but we're gonna save it. Save it for another video. Might ask for your help. We'll see. I got a buddy too that can do some stuff as well, so I'm excited.
He got a Z.
I got the
He
Z,
got
man.
a
I've
Z.
been talking about it. Now here's the flip side of this. So I gotta sell the motor. I gotta sell the motor because I don't have, between just projects and stuff, it doesn't make sense to have it.
He's gonna keep the VQ, sell the LS, even though personally I think the LS should go in, but that's just me.
Of course you do.
Maybe someday we'll stretch to that dime, but as of now, this is pretty cool. No.
Torn apart right now. So
Let's get an engine bay view of this thing here. Gonna need a little
Clean.
tune-ups here.
Clean.
Oh, look at that. Fantastic.
it is clean. Like I said, it's got the coilovers already on it, which is super nice. Don't have to worry about anything there. Coilovers on the front, back. I was looking up some suspension stuff too for it, so let's stay tuned. Might end up doing something there. But the guy said his just water pump was replaced. That's the only thing that he did. He bought this thing 6 months ago.
Wow. I see room for turbos though, I'm not sure about you.
Dude, there ain't no room. Look at that. I can't get my hand in anything.
No, there's room. There's room.
There ain't no room.
There's
for
always
this.
room, you make room.
No, there's not like any room. Nice thing about this, with it being the up rev motor, you get a little extra horsepower, but
lose a little bit of torque. I think it's if I remember correctly, it's like 260 torque, 300 horse.
You guys have no idea how excited I am because this man
I knew you were gonna be
has
excited,
owned
That's why
so
I
many
telling-
vehicles.
That's why I was like, nah, we need to go tonight, dude. I couldn't keep it. Another day would have been bad news.
He has owned so many vehicles that were so cool, had so much potential, had to get rid of them just because of what's going on in life, big moves.
Well,
And look at this.
And so 4 years in the game of real estate, and had to give up cars and everything for all of that to get into like put money towards marketing and getting yourself started and dues, fees, everything. And now I'm at a point where I can finally have another fun car.
Awesome. I got to jump back to the wheels. And you said you're getting rid of these.
Yes.
You don't like them, huh?
Not on this. Not on the car.
I'm gonna get flack from some people for that one.
What I'm gonna do is keep them for spares, just in case. If I
powder coated black.
I could powder coat them. That honestly might help too. If I just change the wheel color, that might help. But either way, I'm not gonna sell them. I'm gonna keep them. But I do have my eyes on another set of wheels. Like I said, the paint color, potential wrap with there's 2 separate ideas I got going. So we'll see. But yeah, these will stay. I can use them for. If I decide to make it a drift missile, if I make it a drift missile, I could have them for spares, but there will be, regardless, new wheels on the front. So if I did that, then I'd have four set of wheels for the back, and then the other 2 that I would buy as well. So
Drift spares.
drift spares could be drift, could just be a fun cruiser. We'll see. I'm not sure what direction I want to go with it yet, but underneath is clean. There's nothing with it. There's no rust, which is shocking. Like, I was expecting to go pick up a Z with a smashed rear end and just hit a pole from some 17-year-old kid, but it's not.
Well, I'll tell you what, I like
nice.
this. I like it a lot. There's so many options with this vehicle. It's not even funny.
That's the best part.
The stuff you see out there, I mean, people do everything.
They do.
Go supercharged, twin turbo, pro charge them. They build the motor, swap the motor, drift build, drag build, touring, like anything.
There's a lot. You could just do have it be a lap car too.
Track time, or what is that called? I forget the name of that, but
Blanking out. Autocross.
autocross. Yep.
But this is a little bigger for autocross. But actually, the balance is pretty nice, so it wouldn't be a bad car for that either. There's
I'm
just
so
many
excited.
options. There's so
I'm
many
so
options.
excited.
Interior's
Look
in
at
decent
that.
shape too. It's not bad.
If you can see
You know
in
what
there
I
very
scored?
well.
You know what I scored? This is awesome. Guy gave it to me for free.
Don't
with
scratch the
car.
candy already.
With the car.
Look at that little cubby back there. I've never actually seen one of these.
Look at that. Look at that.
What?
Free. I'm not gonna say no to free. This is a pretty. I mean,
It's cool. Look at that. We're already doing unboxings of
Doesn't
parts
look
for this
bad.
thing.
It's just a little shift knob. It's nothing fancy, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't
Look
look
at
bad. I
that.
could do a little. It's a bride, so it's legit.
Sweet.
It's not bad though.
Sweet.
It's not bad.
Look at the interior though. Get a quick little interior.
Yeah, it's not
shot.
bad. It needs to get cleaned up.
Looks good though. Looks good.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's pretty decent. I didn't know Z's, they have these fancy little hidden glove
That's
compartments because
all
there's
the room
nothing
you
up
got,
there. Yeah, so you
except
got
for back
this.
there a little
And then
bit,
back
you
here
know.
you got so much room. There's so much room.
Might be a little squeeze back there,
No, it's not bad. Look at this thing. So much room.
So much room.
I love their custom little. These are dampener. The coilers just went right up the top, but hey, that's whatever. This
That
plate,
is cool.
Oh, that's enough. Okay. So yeah, we don't have to worry about that. It's not
That
bad.
is sweet. And I know we didn't say anything about it, guys, but we do want your opinions on what he should do with this vehicle. It's just too cool, and it doesn't need much except for mostly performance. So we'd love to know what you guys' opinions are on the vehicle, on his purchase, what we should do with it, what you guys want to see in future videos with it, what you want us to race it on, where you want us to race it, what do you want us to race it against. But yeah, trust me, plenty more to come with this one. So stay tuned, leave some suggestions in the comments, and man, this is gonna be a good one.
That wraps up the video, guys. I'm so happy how this one turned out. I know Cameron is excited. He's probably just as excited as I am about this. But if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button. We're gonna be bringing you guys much more content. We haven't even seen his car yet. We're excited to show you guys that, along with a few other projects, like I mentioned in the intro, that we have going on. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.